I messed up. In my last video, when I was showing the game animation sample motion matching versus state machine approach, I thought I was toggling between them when I was really just stupidly turning the game camera on and off. So when I said there was leg crossing in the state machine version, it was actually the motion matching controller that had the issues. First, to Caleb Longmire, who's Longmire Locomotion on YouTube, which you should definitely check out. I want to apologize for butchering his hard work. Hopefully this reaches everyone that saw my last video to correct the accidental besmirching. Now, I can make a bunch of excuses, like I ate way too much high fructose corn syrup as a kid, or I watched Super Troopers 20 times in the theater. Great movie, by the way, you should check it out. I just lied again. You may not believe this, but the real number is 37. I saw Super Troopers in the movie theater 37 times. There was a dollar theater 15 minutes from my house, and wait, what was I even talking about? Oh, right. I screwed up testing out the game animation sample's fancy new blend stack controller. But thanks to the internet, the creator of this controller saw my video and was able to explain that I'm real bad at clicking. And now I get to set the record straight. That's it for this video. Thanks for listening.